Okay, today I'm going to make a video on how to detail your valve covers. I'm going to paint these babies black, and then I'm going to just buff the fins here. But yeah, we got a big block Dodge sitting there. We got a place to put it. We could put it in there. We could put it in there, or we could put it in there. We're going to do something with it. We're going to clean it up. We're going to paint these valve covers black, and then I'm just going to show you how to get an actual nice machine finish if you're doing this. I see a lot of people just kind of sand it by hand, and that's fine too. But if you have one of these units here, then the trick is do it before you paint it. Get a nice smooth finish. I haven't done this one yet. I did this one by hand, but it's kind of streaky and it's hard to keep straight. So I'll set this up and you can see how I'm going to do this. Now you can see the nice machine finish. The lines are actually straight. So that gives us a nice level surface. Now I've just got to clean like crazy and degrease this, paint it, let the paint set up, and then I'll hit it again. Alright, we got the valve cover painted. I got it set up. I put a couple screws into a piece of wood, and I'm going to sand it. You can kind of see that was my little test thing there. It's dry now. So I'm going to hand sand this just to get most of the paint off of it so it doesn't gall up on my board, and I'll show you the finish.